Today we will show you our product. The first item is laundry tag. RFID laundry tags. High temperature resistant, high humidity resistant, washable for soaking and repeated rubbing. We have different material including PPS, silicone, fabric, etc. Flexible laundry labels. Can be ironed, sewn directly. High sensitivity. Strong anti-interference ability, capable of multi-tag group reading. Welcome to our production. We start from special antenna design here. Each RFID laundry tag is made with heat-resistant and chemical-resistant materials, ensuring stable performance through repeated washing, drying, and ironing. Easily identified and tracked with RFID readers. Tags can be sewn or heat-pressed into garments, towels, or linens, widely used in hotels, hospitals, and industrial laundries. Faster than barcodes, unaffected by dirt or stains. Reduces labor costs, prevents loss, and improves efficiency. Smart laundry tags bring you convenience and intelligent management.